Am I able to ride with you guys in the truck?
B. Don't go bothering other people.
Okay, so it's super bright and I can't even see the screen. Well, we should be heading to this truck.
I could tell.
So we're trying to, like I said, we're trying to get a truck for my dad. He needs a new truck instead of this dumb old van. So that's what we're trying to do right now. So. Hi, Mother. I almost ran into a car.
That's where you're going. You're going to pay for it.
Say hello, Mother. No, she doesn't like being in my vlogs, don't you? She doesn't like my videos. If I ever get a dislike on one of my videos, it's gonna be my mom. Look at this car, bro. Look at it. That's an awesome car. Mom, you look amazing in front of it. I'm touching an awesome car. Oh yeah, you guys got to see my mom for the first time. I left my mom. Anyways, hey yo, what's up guys? It's Blair. I'm copying freaking Logan's intro. I'm so sorry, Logan. No copyright strikes, please. Anyways, yeah, we're about to grab this truck here. It's a really, really nice truck. I like this truck.
I wonder what this one is.
Well, heck, I'm just showing off a truck to you guys. And you guys are gonna know which truck my dad is driving then. So are we gonna get it?
No, I'm test driving and see which one.
I know. Are you going to get it out?
I'm not getting it out. Hell no. Braxton, come on. I'm not thinking about it.
They have really nice cars in not Camden, but Arkansas.
Got some mud, but that's normal.
I mean, I like this truck. This is a nice truck. The XD series. XD.
Everything goes. Said never.
Oh, you can tell.
Yeah.
I know chain marks.
Right. He said he's got to get the keys to the other two cars to move. Yeah.
That's a good looking tire.
I'm just looking into cars. There's this nice blue one. It's passcode. Beep, 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 beep. Just looking into cars. It's a Ford. I'm in the Ford dealer place. Braxton!
That feels good.
Braxton, look! Say hi!
Floor mat too.
Yeah. I've never known how to work. Boy, don't fall.
Alright?
You need to get back in the car with Danny.
Bunch of drama going on in my life and I don't like it. I really like this truck. Let's go look at some other cars.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this one. This is nice. Ah, my hair is going everywhere. And I can't see inside of the car. Okay. Very nice, very nice. So I don't know how the rest of this vlog is gonna go, but I'm hoping it's good. Whoop!
Nope, we don't got no leather seats. Stop.
It doesn't. It's nice though. I like this car.
No, stop it. No, sir.
Oh my gosh. Ah, I almost ran into a door mirror thing. Whatever this is called. Let's go follow my mom and my brother to look at cars. I don't know where they went. All I see is signs. All I see is dollar signs.
God, it smells so good in here. Move.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Steve, don't move.
Oh. Oh. I want you guys to help me decide. Help my dad decide. So let's go over to my dad. So we have this really nice truck right here that I'm walking up to. I don't think the Ford dealers want their face in my video. And then we have a red version of the truck. Okay, so we have the red version of this.
He brought you because he didn't want to
Dad.
climb the hill up there. and
What?
jack it
Exactly
off.
why he brought me.
I'm gonna have the people that watch my YouTube channel to help you decide on which truck.
No, you're not.
Yes.
David, nice to meet you.
He wants you to decide. He's just not showing it in front of the Ford dealers. So
That's a little bitty car. That's not your car.
no, it's not. I mean, it's a nice car, but no. Shouldn't even be calling it a nice car. I want a Jeep for my first car.
No.
Why? Ow!
No. That's not nice. Don't do that. Move.
I see a signs. I see it. Okay, so I want you guys to help my dad choose which car he's going to, which truck he's gonna get. I need you guys to put it in the comments below, and yeah. Bye.